Hi friends, welcome to the channel Create Your Wealth. We continue our journey of understanding the fundamentals of the stock market. There is a conviction that I have, basis the lot of reading that I did across many books. I have come up with few points which you should also understand, because understanding these fundamental points will make it very interesting for you to go ahead and invest in the stock market. It will also help you to have the right set of attitude. Stock market is not a gambling place. As I told you in my other video, is bank deposit safe or is stock market risky? In that you will understand that why investing in stock is not risky at all. I will put the link in the description below. Let's continue over here. So the stock market is not a gambling zone. It is an amazing concept of ownership model. So you own a business. When you buy the shares of a company, you are technically owning that business. So if I have to buy a business, what do I need to know? Number one, I need to understand what is that business getting into. So what is the outcome of that business? So for example, if I want to buy the stocks of McDonald's, I need to understand what is that McDonald's do. Same way, if I am planning to buy stock of Page Industries, I need to know that what products that company sells and buys, what is their market. If you do not understand the business, you can never value it. For this, ensure that you read a lot about the management, products, their customers, company presentations, their confidence in the future. All this need will help you to understand what are you going in. This will also help you. If you don't understand reading balance sheets, please learn at least the basics of how to interpret the balance sheet. We will be covering that in our future videos. Point number two, if the business does well. So first of all, I understand what the business is doing. Now I have the conviction that the future of this industry is really good. What happens is, if I invest in a business like this, even though the candle, so I know there are a lot of videos about candlesticks and understanding the technicalities of the stock market. Even though the candle for today or for a week for this stock might become red, but you will see that on a quarter on quarter basis and on a year on year basis, your stock will be green and it would be evergreen. Just hold on to your business with conviction. This is going to give you very good returns. And there will come a day when the whole world will run behind buying that stock, while you will be sleeping in peace because you have already made the right investment at the right time. The next point is, we should always look at stock market from a long term prospects, because if you are investing in anything, you cannot expect it to give you returns tomorrow. If you sow a seed in the soil, you wait for it to become a sapling and then a plant and then a tree. You cannot expect the mangoes to be ripe on the day one. Same way, if I invest in a particular stock today, don't say that okay, I am making loss at stock market and stock market is just not for me. It is definitely for those people who have a long term vision. We took almost 16 years to just complete our basic education, completing our nurseries, our 10th, first to 10th class, our higher secondary, and then we did our college, our graduation, to just get paid a nominal salary. But when we want stock markets, we want returns overnight. Is it a correct attitude that we are holding? Then there is the next point which people have. I want to buy low and sell high. But how can you time the market? You can never time the market. You will have to identify the right support till where the stock can fall. Identify that stock, identify the best business, identify the right entry level. We will be covering this in our future videos. Stay connected with us on it. And then the next point is about selling high. How do I know that I have reached the height? Because sometimes the stock just becomes double and then starts falling back again. But there are certain stocks which goes 5 times and then start falling back. There are stocks which go 20 times before they learn to fall back to their lower levels. Hence, identifying the right entry point and right exit point is something which you have to learn. And we are there with you in this journey to help you out. For now, only this much. Stay connected in our future paths. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please click on like. And if you feel that this video will benefit your friends and your peer group, please share it with them. Thank you for your support.